Have you ever tried visualizing your dream life, but no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to change? Maybe it's not the law of attraction that's failing, it's the way you're doing it. You're not alone. Most people make the same mistakes when it comes to visualization. And today, I'll show you what they are and how you can fix them. Because when done correctly, visualization can literally reprogram your subconscious mind and pull opportunities towards you. Visualization is powerful because your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. When you imagine with emotion, your brain rewires itself to believe it's possible, and that belief attracts opportunities. But here's the catch. If done wrong, visualization can block your progress instead of helping you. One of the biggest mistakes is being too general. They'll say, I want success, or I want more money. But your subconscious mind doesn't work well with blurry instructions. Imagine going to a restaurant and telling the waiter, just bring me some food. What will happen? You might get something you don't even like. Visualization works the same way. Instead, be specific. Don't just say, I want money. Visualize yourself holding your salary slip, or seeing 1 lakh in your bank app, or even receiving a business payment message. The clearer the picture, the stronger the signal to your subconscious. The second mistake is visualizing without emotion. Many people just imagine the picture in their head, but they feel nothing. That's like watching a movie on mute. No matter how beautiful the scene is, it doesn't move you. Your subconscious mind responds to feelings. When you visualize your dream car, don't just see it. Feel yourself touching the steering wheel. Smell the new leather. Hear the sound of the engine. Add emotions like joy, gratitude, and excitement. That's the real fuel behind manifestation. The third mistake is treating visualization like a one-time event. People try it once, then give up when results don't show up immediately. But think about it. You can't go to the gym one day and expect six-pack abs. Visualization works through repetition. The more you practice, the deeper the image gets planted in your subconscious. Even top athletes like Muhammad Ali and Michael Phelps use visualization daily before their performances. Consistency is the secret. Another mistake? Only visualizing the final destination. For example, someone may visualize being a millionaire, but they never imagine the journey. Your subconscious mind also needs to see the process. Imagine yourself confidently giving presentations, closing deals, or managing your business. See the small wins, not just the big finish line. This builds belief that your goal is possible, instead of feeling like some unrealistic fantasy. And here's a subtle but powerful mistake: visualizing something your inner beliefs reject. For example, if deep inside you believe you don't deserve wealth, your subconscious will block it no matter how much you visualize. That's why self-love, affirmations, and clearing negative beliefs are just as important. Visualization must be in harmony with what you believe about yourself. So to summarize, avoid being vague, add emotions, practice daily, visualize both the journey and the destination, and make sure your beliefs align with your goals. If you start doing this, your subconscious mind will become your biggest supporter instead of your biggest block. Now I'd love to know, have you ever tried visualization before? What was your experience? Drop your answer in the comments. Maybe your story will inspire someone else. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this. Because visualization, when done right, is one of the most powerful tools we have.